That is so cool.
Push this button and out.
I am the king of the North Pole! I am the king of the North Pole!
Wow. That is a cool train, dude. The Polar Express.
I am the king of the North Pole!
Careful, careful.
Oh no, it's off the tracks.
Alright, hold on.
Turn it off.
Okay,
There, Mommy.
That's
Is it
that's
on?
okay.
And then try it again. See if it's on.
No, it's not, babe. It's a little bit off. Yeah, now it is. Try it, Sammy. Whoa! I'm the king!
You can make it go faster.
Whoa!
You can make it go.
Oh, it's going fast.
Here, let Sammy play for a minute, and then he'll give you a turn.
I'll
Okay?
go faster. Faster!
You can make it go backwards too?
Backwards? Backwards? Back.
Yeah, you can make it go backwards.
We'll
Look
go
at that.
faster backwards. Mommy, a little bit of the M is off the tracks. This is off the
I don't think so, is it?
Okay, turn it off.
Oh no. Mine's out of the way. Was this great?
Okay. It's okay. Try it.
Hey, can I
Will you let Nora
Wow.
try it when you're driving?
go backwards?
Thank you. Alright.
That's nice of you, Sammy. Thank you.
What the? It's moving.
I'm the king of the north. Whoa. Backwards.
Backwards, backwards, backwards. It's faster backwards. What? That's the bell.
Yeah, you can hit the bell.
What?
Whoa.
We're gonna push this button and says. Faster! Faster, mister!
Sorry, let me see
Watch
the
out your foot.
Watch out your foot. Let me see the remote, Sammy. Wow.
When it does that, it means that you're going too fast.
Okay. This is amazing. It goes backwards just as fast.
I saw the children.
That's so cool. Oh, a real it's like almost like a real train. I'm the king of the North Pole. Wow, it's so lifelike and real. I'm the king of the North Pole. Yeah.
When I stop the when I stop like the movie, I'm gonna stop and I'm pretending there was reindeers. There's reindeers on the track.
Oh yeah, the caribou.
Oh, now
I remember. Oh, you gotta pull Nora's beard so they can move. That's okay. What's wrong, Nora? Oh, tell mommy. Mommy will take that off.
It doesn't do the
Oh!
no.
That's okay. It was just an accident. That's okay.
Mommy,
We'll fix it.
They're punched it off the tracks.
The Polar Express. That thing right there. That's the Polar Express.
Try it.
I'm gonna go backwards and stay forward. Oh wait, stop. There's tape.
Go forward. Let me see. Wow. That is one killer train. Isn't it, Sammy?